Welcome to iFunder Expo Highlights. Today with Danny and Dev from Gilbarco Veeder-Root and Engie Energy Systems. You guys here at the show showing something. What innovation are you showing?
Hey, yeah, thanks. So we're here to show you our new hydrogen dispenser offering, as well as our full hydrogen refueling station offering. Our hydrogen dispenser is highly configurable to meet your dispensing needs, and it also meets your consumer experience needs from a reliability, safety, and media content offering. But behind the fence, we have our full HRS system.
Thanks, Danny. So our HRS system takes a modular approach, and it involves everything from compression, storage, chilling, gas management, site control, and of course, your dispensing system. The reason why we feel our solution is quite strong is it's very modular. We know that our customers can't spend the full CapEx that they might need for a future station. So today, we help our customers get some footprint onto the ground. We help them start small and allow them to expand with our design.
Can I ask to this? So this is essentially a model, and I know Gilbarco from this part, from the dispensing part, but do you also offer the entire, do you build compressors, or how does it work? Also,
yeah, great question. So leveraging our Engie Energy Systems business, we've been in the compressed natural gas business for 40 years.
All right.
A lot of technology there. We've learned how to refuel heavy-duty vehicles through different methods to make sure that we can optimize the site based on the site operator's needs.
And just to add to that, Danny touched on the heavy-duty aspect of it. You know, for 20 years now, hydrogen stations have been designed for light-duty operation.
Yeah.
With the way the industry is moving towards heavy-duty, we feel that our experience with heavy-duty refueling from our compressed natural gas side of the business will really help us bring the heavy-duty market to commercialization.
Okay, can you help me there? Okay, so just in terms of, maybe also for the audience, difference between heavy-duty and light-duty refueling operations. What is the difference? Like,
sure. So light duty vehicle, you think about it, it's got a very small tank.
Yeah.
You know, you're filling up to 700 bar hydrogen fuel, roughly about 5 kilograms of a fill. So you're taking maybe 3 minutes to fill a vehicle. You look at a heavy duty transport truck, it could be anywhere from 30 to 70 to even more kilograms. Mm-hmm. So it takes a lot longer to fill. Your strategy and how you refuel is you're not just filling one vehicle, you're filling many back to back. You need to make sure these trucks can come in and get out and get enough fuel on board. And they can't have the station down. And that's why our experience in doing multi-use stations, not just light duty, not just heavy duty, but we're going to have stations that have mixed usage, light duty, heavy duty, trailer fueling. And that's where our refueling strategy experience from our 40 years of experience on natural gas will help with our hydrogen players as well.
Okay, and when it comes to these heavy-duty vehicles, can they come back to back in your systems, or can you tell us a little bit, just small guidance there? Because I know this is something that's really interesting for people who want to get into this.
Of course, and actually, it's a very good question. And the reason being is that back-to-back fueling is different than having one vehicle fuel every hour.
Yes, exactly.
What we do is we actually take your input and output. If we understand your source of gas, how much gas you have available for us to run through our system, and then if we understand how many vehicles you're looking to fuel, we actually have developed a simulation software that allows us to do thousands of iterations to allow you to get a filling profile of your vehicle. So we can lay out exactly how much storage you need versus how much compression you need. It balances CapEx versus efficiency on the station.
Okay, and at the show here, do you have an entire refueling station mounted there, or what are you showing?
Yeah, very good question. So we do have a model at our booth that shows our solution and how it can be modular. We can talk through that with the team. We do have our full dispenser solution at the booth as well, so you can come by and touch and feel, see how big it is, see what the screen looks like, and see what that experience would be.
Okay, maybe one other thing, does you deploy this internationally? So is this only for Germany or the UK, or are you willing to go to other markets as well with this?
Yeah, so our refueling stations are going to be available in North America and Europe. We have started shipping our dispenser solution in North America, and we expect to be into the refueling stations next year. We also expect to have our first shipments into Europe next year as well. Beyond that, we're going to continue to look at the rest of the world. We want to make sure that we have North America and Europe correctly done before we move to other markets, but we do know that hydrogen is a global market that we need to participate in, and we can leverage that through our Gilbarco Veeder-Root business, the service channel, the sales office, all the engineering offices around the world as we move into the future.
Okay, wonderful, Danny. Well, that was already the outlook I was going to ask you for, so perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dev. Thank you, Danny, for coming and showing us this. This is really exciting stuff, and I wish you well with that, and maybe one day, hopefully, can use one of these myself.
Excellent. Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thank you, and thank you for
very much.
watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.